Surah Fatiha with English meaning.
Yes, I can recite.
Say.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge with Allah from accused devils. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise is due to Allah, Lord of the world. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin, master of the day of judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. It is you we worship and you we ask for help. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Guide us to the straight path. Siratal ladzina an'amta alayhim, the path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor. Ghayril maghdubi